Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with the new chapter word tables and mail merge. So we can make tables and manipulate tables, format it in Word. It provide a feature of mail merge also, which we'll learn in this chapter today. So let's begin with table, creating a table, working with data in a table, modifying a table, formatting a table, calculation in a table, mail merge components. So let's just start the chapter.
Are you creating table of our class marks on system? Yes, we can also work on table in Word 2016. Table. A table is made up of rows and columns. The intersection of a row and column is called a cell. Tables are often used to organize and present information, but they have a variety of uses as well. Tables can be used to align numbers and create interesting page layouts. Tables can also be created in Word 2016 for many reasons. It is possible to create tables in Word 2016 that manipulate data, like a spreadsheet program. Tables in Word 2016 can also be created to simply store data. Alternatively, you can use them to help you structure the layout of document content. The cells within a table can hold both text and numbers. You can place any content you want into table cells, like pictures. You can also edit individual table cells or create and delete entire columns and rows of cells. Creating a table. Word 2016 provides a number of ways to create a table. By choosing from a selection of pre-formatted tables. By selecting the number of rows and columns required. By drawing cells of different heights or a varying number of columns per row. Using table grid. Click on the Table button on the Insert tab in the Tables group. A drop-down menu will appear. Drag the mouse pointer over the grid to select the number of rows and columns as per your requirement. The table will be inserted on the working area. Using Insert Table dialog box. Navigate to the Insert tab and then click the Table button. Select the Insert Table option from the drop-down menu. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Specify the number of columns and rows and click OK. Entering data. Place the cursor in the table cell and type the text. In order to move to the next adjoining cell, either press the Tab key or use cursor control keys. To move to the previous cell, either press Shift plus Tab key or the left arrow key. Converting text into a table format. Insert separator characters, such as commas or tabs, to indicate where the text has to be divided into columns. Use paragraph marks to indicate where you want to begin a new row. Select the text that you want to convert. Click on the Table button under Tables group in the Insert tab. Click on Convert Text to Table option. The Convert Text to Table dialog box appears. In the Convert Text to Table dialog box, under Separate Text at, click the option for the separator character, which is used in the text. Click OK button. Select any other required options. The selected text converts into a table format. Converting a table into text. Select the rows or tables that has to be converted into paragraphs. Under Table Tools on the Layout tab in the Data group, click Convert to Text button. The Convert Text to Table dialog box appears. Under Separate Text With, click the separator character, which is used in a column boundaries. Rows are separated with tabs. Click on OK button. The selected table converts into text. Adding a cell, row or column to table. Click in a cell that is to the right or above where you want to insert a cell. Under Table Tools, click Layout tab, then Rows and Columns dialog box launcher. The Insert Cells dialog box appears. In Insert Cells dialog box, click one of the following options. Click on OK button. To add a row above or below, click in a cell above or below to add a row. Under Table Tools on the Layout tab, do one of the following. To add a row above the cell, click Insert Above in the Rows and Columns group. To add a row below the cell, click Insert below in the rows and columns group. To add a column to the left or right, click in a cell located to the left or right to add a column. Under Table Tools on the Layout tab, do one of the following. To add a column to the left of the cell, click Insert left under the rows and columns groups. To add a column to the right of the cell, click Insert right under the rows and columns group. Resizing tables. The size of a table can be increased or decreased manually by using Table Resize handle. But Word 2016 also offers ready-made solutions to resize a table. Resizing of a table can be done by AutoFit option that offers flexibility to automatically resize the column width based on different criteria. You can set the table width based on the window size or convert it back to use fixed column width. Will display following three options. AutoFit contents. It adjusts the column width according to the data entered. AutoFit window. Selecting this option will adjust the table according to the margin set on the window. Fixed column width. The column width gets fixed and the text is wrapped in the same cell. Deleting rows and columns. Select the rows or columns. Click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools menu. Select the Delete button in the Rows and Columns group. A list of options appears. Choose the Delete Rows or Delete Columns option in the drop-down menu. Formatting a table. Formatting controls the overall appearance of a table. After creating a table, you can format the entire table by using the Table Styles feature. Table Styles is an inbuilt facility to change the appearance, color, and borders of a table. Merging cells. Select the cells to be merged. Click on the Layout tab. Click Merge Cells button from the Merge group. The cells will be merged. Splitting cells. Click the cell or select multiple cells that you intend to split. Click the Layout tab. Click the Split Cells from Merge group. The Split Cells dialog box appears. Specify the number of columns and rows in which you intend to split the selected cells into. Click OK. Borders and Shading. Click the Design tab. Click Borders from Borders group. A drop-down menu appears. Click Borders and Shading. A dialog box appears. Choose the style, color, and width of the border. Click OK. To add shading to the table, click the Design tab. Click Shading from Table Styles group. A drop-down menu appears. Choose and click the desired color. Table Styles. Click in the table. Click the Design tab. Click More button in the Table Styles group. Select any visual style from the gallery. The preview of the selected style will appear in the table. Click on the desired style to apply. Insert a picture in a cell. Click on the cell to insert the picture. Click Insert menu and then Picture button under Illustrations group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Locate the desired picture. Double-click the picture or click Insert button. The selected picture will be inserted. Calculation in a table. Click the cell where you want result to be displayed. Under Table Tools, click Layout tab and then Formula button in the Data group. The Formula dialog box appears. The sum formula is already displayed. Click on OK button. This way you can perform calculations in the table. Mail Merge. Mail Merge is a tool which allows to create forms, letters, batch of documents, mailing labels and envelopes by linking a main document to a data source. Mail Merge Components. In order to understand how Mail Merge works, you need to examine the elements involved in the process. In any mail merge, you'll deal with three different elements: main document, form letter, mailing label, envelope or directory. Data source, information such as names and addresses. Finished documents, mail merge documents that can serve as templates for future mailings. Mail merge involves the following steps. Open Word 2016 and type the letter to send. Don't forget to leave areas for the data source, i.e., name, address, etc. Click the Mailings tab. Go to Start Mail Merge group. Then, click Start Mail Merge. A new menu will appear as shown in the picture below. Click Step-by-Step Mail Merge wizard.